guys, I'm back. Today we are doing this look that I did before work, and before we get into the video, please subscribe at the button down below, turn the notification bell on, and make sure you like this video, and let's just get into the tutorial. So first we are going in with the Brow conditioning primer from Benefit and just prepping my brows. I really like this stuff. I think it has enhanced my brow growth, to be honest. And next we're going in with Benefit Gimme Brow Plus in the shade 5, and I have been using this so much and I never thought I'll just use a brow gel and just be done, but I have been and I freaking love it. And I just got this out of my BoxyCharm. This is Dr. Brandt's No More Needles, No More Baggage Under Eye Cream. And you can really see on the left, it was when I first woke up, and on the right is after I used that cream. So it really does help. For primer, we are using Zero Shine Prime from Pop Beauty. And I really like this because it smooths my skin and controls the oils at the same time. And for foundation, we're using CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation in the shade M80, which is my perfect shade. The only thing about this foundation is there's these little white like chalk pieces, I think it looks like, and I don't know how to get those to go away. But I'm using a Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge to blend this out. I do cream contour when I'm like at work or going to be wearing makeup for a long time. I'm using LA Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze and just cream contouring my face and blending it out with the same sponge. Concealer time, we're using Catrice Liquid Camouflage, and I'm not sure what the shade is because I'm at work editing another video. But I am very light with this concealer because it is a lighter shade. You guys, I have been loving this palette so much. This is the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. It is so blendable, and we're going to go in with the shade Still Shot and put that in the crease for a transition. To deepen it up a little bit, we are going in with the shade Punk, and I'm using a very, very light hand with this shade because I don't want it to be too dark. For the lid, we are going in with a wet brush and taking the shade Blaze, which is a pink with a gold duochrome flip, and I've been doing this look like a lot, so this might look familiar. And then I took the shade Ignite and just blended Blaze into the crease color. And I popped this 24/7 pencil from Urban Decay into the waterline, and then just brushing off the translucent powder that I used. I used Laura Mercier translucent powder. For mascara, we're using Benefit Bad Gal Bang and making those lashes long and fluffy. I'm I'm using this tawny bronzer from Makeup Geek just to define my cheeks a little bit more. For glow, we're using Pixie Glowy Gossamer Duo in the shade Delicate Dew. For blush, I'm using this Aspen Ovard Pixie Collaboration Glowy Powder. For lip liner, I'm using one of these Pop Beauty pencils. They reflect too much, so I don't know for sure. I believe this is like Risky Rosé or something like that. And for lipstick, we are using one of these Urban Decay Born to Run lipsticks. This is the shade 66. And again, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. This is kind of a look that I always wear to work. I just changed up the lip color and the highlight and the blush pretty much. And I hope to see you in my next video.